Amaka, see this boy again.
Which one?
The one that has been disturbing me since last week. This one.
What does he do?
He said he's still trying to find his feet.
Find his feet?
That's what he said.
Did somebody steal them? Because I don't understand. A grown man is looking for his feet and he's looking for girlfriend at the same time.
You can see how nice that video is. You can now generate up to 30 seconds video in just a single generation. And for you generating AI story video, this is a great news for you because it's going to save you the time you spend in generating 10 seconds video. And the best part is that we are going to be using our mobile phone to do this. So I'm going to demonstrate everything to you and I'll show you two methods of doing this. So watch this video from beginning to the end because I'll expose some secret that I use to maintain perfect dialogue in my characters. Without much time wasting, guys, let's dive in. The first way we are going to do this is to use CapCut. After installing CapCut on your device, you open the app and then on the interface like this, you look for where you can see AI generator. Just tap on that AI generator and then you will see something like this. From this place, you see AI video, AI image, and AI effect. What we are going to be using is AI video. So you just have to tap on AI video and then it will open up like this. Acknowledge everything they show you here. So I'm going to just agree. And then this is the entire interface we are going to be seeing. Now you need to pay close attention so you understand what I am doing. So before we upload our image, we need to come down here and for the model which we are to use, we are going to be using SeaDance 2.5. So just tap on that particular model and then that has been selected. Now you will come down and then you notice that we have generation mode, we have reference, and then we have keyframe. What we are going to be using is the reference. Make sure the reference is selected. Then after that, you need to set the video duration. If you drag this slider forward, you can see I can select any video duration of my choice. I can select up to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and even up to 30 seconds. So I'm going to leave it at 30 seconds. This means that if you are creating a long form video, with just two generations, you have over 1 minute of videos. So this is a big step to us creating AI faceless videos. So I'll just select over 30 seconds and then here you need to select the aspect ratio you want that video to be in. You have 9:16, we have 16:9 aspect ratio, and now it's time for you to upload the reference image that you want to use. If you don't want to use a reference image also, you just have to enter in your description here. So I'm going to just tap on the upload option here so I can upload my reference image. So for my reference image, this is image 1. So for this particular shot, I want to go after 5 consecutive shots. If you don't know how to create 5 continuous shots in your story, I'll drop a video on that. So for you not to miss out, quickly subscribe and like this video to stay updated once I upload that particular video. So these are my images from the shot I generated. For this, I'm going to upload this my continuous shot. Remember, you can upload over 30 images. So I'm going to tap on add and all of those images will be added down here. Now, pay attention to how I'm going to write my prompt. So for this prompt, we are going to assume that this first one is image 1. Then this second one, image 2, just like that. So we have image 1, image 2, and image 3, image 4, and image 5. So after uploading that, I'm going to go to ChatGPT now and then copy the prompt that I want to use. So I'll show you how to come up with a continuous prompt like this for your story to have a continuous flow in my next video. So don't forget that. So I'm going to just copy this prompt and now I'll come over here in the description down here. I'm going to paste in the prompt I've just copied. Now let's go ahead to edit this prompt. So to edit this prompt, I want to have dialogue between my characters. Now you need to describe who your characters are. So for my character, let's say for this particular character here, the lady here wearing a brown gown is Blessing, while the other lady on black top is Amaka. So I'm going to give a description from the beginning of my shot. So for this particular shot, I have Blessing. So I'm going to say Blessing, the lady on brown gown. Then after that, we'll describe the other lady also. This is how you have a perfect dialogue between your characters. If you don't give a description like this AI will not understand who those characters are. So Amaka, the lady on black top and red trouser. This gives a distinct description between your characters. Now I'm going to say speaking in Nigerian accent English too. So any accent you want to use for your video, then you need to specify that there. And then we have our opening shot. So this is going to be shot 1. So everything here will be said in this first image. So what I'm going to do here for the first shot, I'm going to say image 1. So I'm going to write that image 1. Now I'll put a colon here. Alright, so this AI understand that everything here should be done in image 1. Then I will scroll down. Now if you see, this is our shot 2 from my description on ChatGPT. So I'm going to describe this as image 2. So everything under here should be done in image 2. Alright, so now you have given your description for image 2. So you are going to copy what you want these characters to say in image 3 and paste it, then give it the name as image 3, and that is what I am going to do. Now I'll copy that, then come over here. So I'll call this image 3, add my column, and then paste in what they should say. Now I've just entered in that complete stuff, so I'm going to stop at this image 3. Now you have an idea on how to create this. Remember, I'll show you another method and another website to use in doing this. So after entering in this, I'm going to just remove this other shot. So let's go with just 3 shots. So I'll remove this. So we have just 3 shots. After that, I'm going to click on generate, and then they will ask you to confirm. So I'm confirming that to use my credit. Now that is going to be generated. We'll come back to check the result and see if it's something that you can use. But while that is generating, let me show you the second method. Now we are going to be using this particular website called OpenArt AI. If you have been following my videos, you will notice that I'm a big fan of this particular website because it gives me what I want. So you come to this website, I'll leave the link to this website in the video description and also in the comment section of this video for you to access it. Now once you get this to this website, you need to sign in with your Gmail account. Once you are done, then you click on video. If you are using a laptop, you also have access to this. So I'll click on video. Now from here we have start and end frame. We are not going to be using start and end frame for this. We are going to be using text with reference. So I'm going to select text with reference. Make sure that is selected. Once you are done with that, then you need to select the model that you want to use. If you tap on model, you can see available different models that you can use here, meaning just a single subscription to this website gives you access to different models on this website. So I'm going to select SeaDance 2.0. Now that has been selected. So I can add over 30 images from this website also. So tap on upload media to upload the images that you want to animate. If you can see, I've used this to animate a lot of images. Now I'm going to tap on upload images. So I'll upload that same image. I'll select all the images I want to add. After selecting those images, I'm going to go down. So these are the images. Now on OpenArt, once you upload those images, they are going to be added as image 1, image 2, image 3, and like that. So now I've uploaded that, so I'm going to copy in my prompt and add it here. So I'll come down here and paste in that prompt. Okay, after pasting in the prompts, I'm going to select each of the shots. So for the image 1 here, we won't write image 1 again. Instead, we are going to use the art on your keyboard. So this particular art, if you press that, it will give you option of the images, the shot you uploaded. So I'm going to select image 1 for that particular shot. Look at it, it has been selected. Now I'll go down to where I added shot 2. So for this shot 2, I'll say for this shot 2, it should be, I'll enter the art and then I'll select image 2 for that. So the AI understand which particular image is going to use for which shot. So after entering in that, I'll enter art here again, select that other shot. Now we have selected this shot to use for this particular model. So I'm going to come down here, then to click on output here, and then from here you can select the aspect ratio. Remember, it's 9:16 aspect ratio. Now this is where you set the duration for the video. So for this video duration, you can take it up to 30 seconds. Once that 30 seconds has been selected, make sure that audio is turned on here. If you are okay with everything, then you need to come down here and tap on generate, and that is going to be generated. So I'm going to show you the result of this, but first let's go to CapCut and see if our video is done generating. Here we are on CapCut. Let's take a look at our video.
Amika, see this boy again. Which one? The one that has been disturbing me since last week. Ah, this one. What does he do? He said he's still trying to find his feet.
Find his feet?
That's what he said.
Did somebody steal them? Because I don't understand. A grown man is looking for his feet and he's looking for a girlfriend at the same time?
So you can see how professional and perfect that video looks like. Now, if you are satisfied, you will see an export option up here. Tap on that export option and your video will be saved to your device. Our generation is done on OpenArt. Let's take a look at how the video looks like.
Amaka, see this boy again.
Which one?
The one that has been disturbing me since last week. This one. What does he do? He said he's still trying to find his feet.
Find his feet?
That's what he said.
Did somebody steal them? Because I don't understand. A grown man is looking for his feet and he's looking for a girlfriend at the same time?
You can see how nice that video is, but one thing you need to pay attention to is that creating perfect videos like this costs money. So it is not free on CapCut. If you have subscription, if you are using CapCut Pro, then you can have access to this generation. Also on OpenArt, if you are using the Pro plan, then you can have access to this video. So don't forget, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create this continuous perfect shot so that your story flows like that without having to jump scenes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section of this video if you are going to try this out. I'll see you guys in my next video.